Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Kraken to buy Bitcoin. First, you'll need to set up and verify your Kraken account. This process typically involves providing some personal information and completing identity checks. Once verified, you can fund your account using a variety of methods, such as a bank transfer or linking a debit card. Make sure your verification level supports your desired deposit amount. After funding your account, buying Bitcoin on Kraken is straightforward. Head over to the Buy Crypto section, which is usually prominent on the dashboard. Here, you'll select Bitcoin from the list of available cryptocurrencies. Enter the specific amount you want to buy, either in fiat currency or Bitcoin units. Always double-check your order details, including the price and fees, before finalizing your purchase. Security is paramount when dealing with cryptocurrency. Always enable two-factor authentication on your Kraken account to protect against unauthorized access. For larger amounts, many users prefer to withdraw their Bitcoin to a personal hardware wallet, offering greater control and security. While Kraken employs robust security measures, keeping significant amounts of crypto on any exchange carries inherent risks, so consider your storage options carefully. Kraken offers more than just simple buying. You can explore advanced trading features like limit orders to buy Bitcoin at a specific price. They also provide staking opportunities for various cryptocurrencies, allowing you to earn rewards. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. This platform provides a comprehensive experience for both new and experienced crypto enthusiasts, helping you manage your digital assets effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.